Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are learning to write capitals. Now, can you remember when we write capitals? I'll give you some clues. So we use a capital letter after a full stop. We use a capital letter for the name of a person, for the name of a place, and also the days of the week or the months of the year in a calendar. So these are the four reasons you might use a capital letter. Now, last week we did some words that have no lifts, but today we are going to practice writing some capital letters where you have to take your pen off the paper and put it back on the paper just one time. So the first letter you are going to practice is G. So we start at the top. All of our capital letters, as we know, they sit on the line. So we start at the top. We go round and up, and then we take our pen off and we draw a table on the top. Can you have a go at that? Round, lift, draw your table. Round, lift, draw your table. Round, lift, draw your table. And I'd like you to do a whole line of these. Okay, once you've done a line of the letter G, we're going to move on and we're going to do the letter M. So again, it's one lift, but this time it's straight down, lift, go back to the top, down, up, down. And that's how we do a capital M. So we go down, lift, down, up, down. Down, lift, down, up, down. Down, lift, down, up, down. And do a whole line of those for me. Once you've done the letter M, I'd like you to move on and do the letter D. So we go down, lift, and this time we go round. Down, lift, back to the top and round. Down, lift, back to the top and round. And again, I'd like you to do a whole line of these, please. Okay, and the last letter I want you to practice today is the letter B. So for the letter B, we start at the top, we go down, up, and we go back to the top, and this time we have to do 2 bumps. Now the bottom bump comes out further, is bigger than the top bump. Leave a finger space and then practice again. Oh, mine went a little bit below the line there. Make sure it's staying on the line nicely. That's better. Remember, you can go back and circle your favourite one at the end to show me that you are assessing your work and seeing which one's best. There we go. So I'd like you to do a whole line using the capital B. Now that you've done that, I'm going to give you 2 sentences to write today. So the first sentence is my. Now I'm using a capital because that's right, it's the beginning of the sentence. My mum, and I'm using a capital because that's the name of the person, my mum. Finger space, and that's it. Make sure you're using the finger spaces. My mum and dad went dancing in Barcelona. Can you tell me why I've used a capital B for the word Barcelona? That's right, it's because it's the name of a place, Barcelona. And what am I missing at the end? That's right, I need to add my full stop.